everyone, my name is Jana Williamson if we haven't met before, and I'm a pianist and piano teacher in the west suburbs of Chicago. If you've watched any of my videos, you know that one thing that comes up frequently in talking about how to teach piano is polyrhythms. I also get asked this a lot. How do you teach polyrhythms? What do you do to prepare students for polyrhythms? And this week I realized I have a little hack for you. There's this beautiful piece called Romance by Robert Vandall, and it sounds like this. My daughter happened to learn this recently, and it didn't even occur to me when I was first teaching this to her that this is a exercise in 2 against 3 because it's not written as a polyrhythm. In that first part that I just played for you, the right hand is written as quarter notes in 3/4 time, and the left hand is written in a dotted quarter note rhythm. It's actually a dotted half note, 1, 2, 3, with then a rest and then a dotted quarter note underneath that, or an eighth note tied to a quarter note. So 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3. And what that ends up doing is giving you a 3 against 2. Vandall reverses this in the B section, so in measure 17, the left hand starts playing the straight quarter notes and the right hand gets the duple feel. Plus it just sounds really pretty and cool. By the way, this piece can be found in his celebrated lyrical solos, book 4, the blue book, obviously. And there are some other beautiful pieces in here. The one that I love teaching the most is called Forever Friends. Just so beautiful, and a little bit of a contemporary kind of piano feel. So anyway, I thought of this as one little way to prep your students for polyrhythms. It's written out. You can write in the counts 1 and 2 and 3 and. You're not looking at anything that looks like triplets against regular eighths or whatever context you might find your polyrhythm in, but it gives both hands a chance to practice the triple feel against the duple and then reverse that triple feel against the duple. So I hope that gives you one little fun teaching tip for this week. If you aren't familiar with Robert Vandall's works, I would strongly recommend that you go check them out. He writes highly patterned pieces, so for students that are resistant to reading a lot, they gravitate towards these pieces because they can read a minimal amount and then really groove on the patterns and learn the pieces quite quickly. Plus they fit in the hand really well. Hope that gives you a little bit of help today. Please subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you've got other questions or pieces you'd like me to cover in a future video, and I wish you all the best in your teaching.